Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sort by number on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open up any document, and here you can find some numbers. Now if you want to sort the number from small to large, at first you have to just select your all the numbers and then click on Home tab. After that, on the paragraph option you can find sort function, so just click here. Then you can see this window. Here you can see sort by. Just click here and you have to select paragraphs here, and here you can see type. Just select number and then choose any option, ascending or descending. I am just select ascending and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see the number has been sorted successfully. You can see the smallest number is 10, and then 22, and then 35 and 65, and that's it. And that is how you can sort number on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.